Welcome to the channel. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only. It is not anti-government or anti-technology. All the information shared is based on publicly available sources. We encourage viewers to think critically, verify facts, and do their own research. Additionally, there is a spiritual component to this video. We are not preaching or promoting any specific religious agenda, but we do use scripture to help make sense of current events. Revelation chapter 13 is referenced as a spiritual framework that may relate to developments in global systems and technology. The Bible speaks in 2 Corinthians 2:11 that Satan should get an advantage over us, for are not ignorant of his devices. We are not teaching this so you can participate. We are exposing this so you don't. Because if you don't learn how this system works, you'll walk straight into it, and by then, it'll be too late to choose. Start learning now or get trapped later. Biometric wallets. When your body becomes your password, the Internet of Bodies explained. What are biometric wallets? Biometric wallets are digital payment systems that rely on your physical identity to approve transactions. Your fingerprint, your iris scan, your face. No fingerprint, no access, no scan, no purchase, no biometric match, no money moves. Governments and corporations are already deploying this tech. In China, your biometric data is tied to social credit, banking, and behavior monitoring. In India, the Aadhaar system connects your iris and fingerprint directly to your digital ID and bank accounts. In the West, companies like Amazon PalmScan and WorldCoin iris scanning orb are conditioning the public for this new normal. Why does this matter? This isn't just about convenience or security. This is control. Your body becomes the key to what you can buy, sell, or even own. Now add CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. These are programmable by governments. If your biometric scan fails or your profile isn't approved, your money doesn't work. Biometric approval becomes your access point to participate in society. And if your score, location, or speech doesn't align with system standards, you can be shut out instantly. This is social credit on steroids. The good and the bad. The official narrative: biometrics are more secure, more convenient. No stolen cards, no forgotten passwords. Just wave your hand or scan your eye, done. But who really benefits? It's not you. It's the institutions behind the tech. They now have the ability to track, control, and restrict your access to everything silently. With the flip of a switch, you're denied. No appeal, no warning. And as cash is phased out and physical ID becomes obsolete, opting out won't be an option. What happens if you resist? In some countries, people already face exclusion for refusing to register biometrics. No scan, no services, no match, no medicine, no approval, no food. This isn't some distant dystopia. It's being rolled out right now under the branding of security. The prophetic angle. The Bible warns of a time where no one can buy or sell without a certain mark. That's in Revelation 13, 16, 17. Whether you interpret it literally or symbolically, the blueprint is clear. A future system that ties identity, behavior, and commerce together and grants or denies access based on centralized approval. Biometric wallets may not be the mark, but they are becoming the infrastructure for it. At first, it's convenient. Eventually, it's unavoidable. And finally, it may become inescapable. Final thought. So what can you do? Learn how the system works. Stay informed. Accumulate assets outside the grid. Protect your freedom while you still can. This is bigger than tech. It's about your freedom, your soul, and your future. Remember, we're not showing you this so you can join it. We're exposing it so you don't fall into it. Learn it now or live in it later. Outro. Thanks for listening. This channel exists to help you connect the dots between technology, finance, surveillance, and prophecy. If this message resonates, subscribe now. More deep dives are coming on social credit, smart contracts, and the spiritual layer behind this digital shift.